What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Feel Again by Kina. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's just using 3 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description called Master the Guitar in 7 Days, or I did make a tab for this song which will be in the description as well, so if you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They're there for you. So the chords for this song are going to be this version of a D minor here. You're just putting your index finger on the 5th fret of the A string, and I'm using my pinky finger on the 6th fret of the D string. You're just plucking both of those at the same time. Slide that down to this version of an F, which is 8 on the A string with your index finger and 10 on the B string with your pinky finger. And then slide it down to this version of a B flat. It's 1st fret on the A string with your index finger and 3rd fret on the B string with your pinky finger. And that just repeats throughout the entire song. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can play those chords the way that they're played in the song, or if you want to strum through them, you'll just need to strum through the full chords, which is going to be D minor here, F major here, and B flat major here. And you're going to be going down, 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 up, 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 down. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar strings, all the accessories in there that you need as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. Then once the channel hits 100,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All you have to do to enter the giveaways is subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, turn on notifications for the channel, and leave a comment down below with the song that you want me to teach you on guitar. I'm very excited to be able to do these giveaways. I just gave away a guitar at 50,000 subscribers, and that happened a lot quicker than I thought, but it's all thanks to you guys. These giveaways are just my way of trying to give back and show my appreciation for all the love and the support that you guys have shown me and the channel. So again, thank you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want to learn on the guitar, and we will see you guys in the next video.